I don't know exactly why. Well, I think I do. It was really cheap. I ordered how do you say that? A cosmetic mirror? Yeah, because I got a knife as a present with it. Allegedly, I haven't yet opened the package. So, yeah, the mirror was like $1 and the knife $2 on the website, and I got it for just $1 with free shipping. So, yeah, I couldn't resist, even though I don't really need any of that. I can't refuse a good deal. So, let's see what's inside. Cutting it open, pouring it out. Oh boy, it's an envelope. Haha! What a tiny little mirror. Ha ha! Oh boy. It is kind of funny. But it's at least not black. Women like this color. So this will be a nice little present. Don't tell her about the price, okay? Okay. And let's see the knife. Oh boy, this is so funny. They send these letters. I have no idea why. They send this stuff always. Okay, and here's a knife, just like that. Stainless steel. I have no idea what it does. Oh yeah, this part is not sharp, only this part. Yeah. Well, I guess it can be used for something. It's bendy and stuff. And it's not sitting in the handle correctly. As you can see, there's a big gap on both sides. So, yeah, I think I'll use this as a to remove insulation from wires or something. I don't know yet. This is kind of cute. I thought it could be used in the kitchen, but yeah, it's kind of small and ergonomic, you could say. Whatever. Well, yeah, I'm not disappointed really, because for $1 I got a present. This will be a present, and this is a present for me. So yeah, it's a win-win, the way I see it.